Hello student, I am Pankaj Singh, HOD Communication Design at IMS DIA. I hope you and your family are safe and well. The few weeks have been uncertain for all of us and social distancing is the only solution. So stay at home and stay safe. So now we are going to learn about camera animation with practical demonstration. 5 steps involved in creation of 3D walkthrough in Mac: drawing path, adding camera, time configuration, assigning path, preview animation. Now we will understand these 5 steps in detail. First, drawing path. Firstly, you should determine the starting and the end point and the way in between. Next, access the command panel and locate the drawing button. Also, set the option of drag type and initial type as smooth. This is the reference image for drawing path. It ensures that the animation flow is smooth and the lines are devoid of sharp corners. Now start drawing the path. It is okay to proceed using any viewport. However, the best option is to select top viewport since you can see the complete plan view. Second, adding camera. In the second step, you can select the camera button from the Create tab. After that, you will notice various parameters on the control panel. From there, you can choose the camera type and click the free camera button. Now, place in the left viewport to make the camera correctly follow the path. This is a reference image for adding camera. Now, camera parameter include focal length has to be set. After the camera set is complete, it should be ensured that the left viewport as well as illustration to the left are looking similar. Step 3. Time configuration. By utilizing the dialog box for time configuration, you can make all the time related settings. At first, set the frame rate to 15 per second. This is a reference image for time configuration. Remember that it is the ideal rate when it comes to computer animation. Most companies tested the set and then set the end time to 180 that is present in the animation section of the dialog box. You can now obtain the 12-second animation at 15 frames per second. Step 4. Assigning path. For assigning a specific line as the course or the route of the camera should be set to follow the concerned path, and the line would represent the selected path. But before anything else, make sure that you have selected the camera. Step 5. Preview animation. Though previewing animation doesn't fall under the category of fundamental step involved, it is something no professional company working on to create 3D walkthrough in Max ignore. It is always recommended that 3D rendering experts should preview the animation before rendering because the process might prove to be very lengthy. It usually depends on the window size and animation length. Now I will give you a practical demonstration on camera animation. So let's start practical demonstration. As you can see, I'm using the same file. I already applied one camera over there and one valid path. So before start anything, first check the frame rate by clicking this button, time configuration button. Right now it's 100, so I want to increase it, maybe a 350 or 400. By this, I want my animation slightly slow. Now I'm adding path constraint on my camera so that camera run on this path. First, select the camera, go to the animation, constraint, path constraint. Choose this curve. Now you can see there is the first key on the first frame and last key on the last frame. And if you play the animation, you can see camera run on the path. But some issue is there, camera never follow the path. So how to fix it? Just go down there is the option called follow. Turn on this follow button and go to the top view, give some rotation so the camera facing this direction as the curve is follow. Now play your animation. Now you can see camera nicely follow the path. Now I want to see from camera view. Just select the camera first and press C on the keyboard. Now you can see camera view and play your animation. So this is camera animation. Hope you like it this video. Thanks.